A computer is a complex electronic device that processes and stores information. It is capable of performing various tasks quickly and efficiently through the execution of programs. Computers have become an integral part of modern society, revolutionizing communication, commerce, entertainment, and countless other aspects of daily life. At its core, a computer consists of hardware and software components. The hardware includes the physical components like the central processing unit, CPU, memory modules, storage devices, input/output devices, such as keyboards, mice, and monitors, and various other peripheral devices. These components work together to execute instructions and manipulate data. Software refers to the programs and instructions that govern a computer's operations. Operating systems provide a platform for other software to run, while application software enables users to perform specific tasks like word processing, gaming, or browsing the internet. Software development involves designing, coding, and testing programs to ensure they function correctly and efficiently. Computers use a binary system, representing data and instructions using a combination of zeros and ones called bits. These bits are processed by the CPU, which performs calculations, logic operations, and manages data movement. The CPU fetches instructions from memory, decodes them, executes the necessary operations, and stores the results. Over the years, computers have evolved significantly, becoming smaller, faster, and more powerful. They have progressed from large, room-filling machines to portable laptops, tablets, and even pocket-sized smartphones. Advancements in computer technology have enabled innovations like artificial intelligence, virtual reality, and cloud computing, opening up new possibilities and transforming industries. In conclusion, computers are intricate electronic devices that process and store information, enabling us to perform a wide range of tasks efficiently. They are an integral part of our modern world, constantly evolving to meet our needs and driving technological progress in countless fields.